Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a mattress protector on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China, and it provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can just come to the temu.com, and here we can directly search at the search button for mattress protector. So here we can see some protectors for the mattress. So here you can just see for the good ones. So here I can just come this. So this protector will cost you a $7.7. Okay, $7-8. So it has the different sizings. Okay, so you can just select the size for your mattress. So here we can see all the sizes. So this is a waterproof and dustproof mattress. You can see. So you can just use it to protect your mattress from the uh, water, tea and other food items. Okay, so here we can see the reviews also. Okay, and if you want to see the description, we can see here. Okay, so this comes with like if you order a mattress, it comes with a mattress. It can also come with a pillow also. So this is made up of 100% microfiber, and it's water resistance, and it is hand wash only. And we can see the pillow, like mattress look like this. So to buy, you have to click on add to cart button, then you have to click on buy button, then you have to follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a mattress protector on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money. Thank you for watching.